Hey guys, LechK here. Quick video to show you how to improve the water in your shower, meaning the quality of it. If you have itchy skin, dry scalp, all that, you want to get rid of the chlorine in the water that you're taking a shower with, you need to get one of these filters. There's a bunch of options on Amazon. This is the one I picked up, had really good reviews. I believe it was about $30 or so. And the main purpose of these filters is basically to block the chlorine, reduce skin irritation and all that, and that will help eliminate itchy skin, dry scalp, and all that. And here's a little breakdown of the components inside it. But let me open this up and show you guys the steps to install it. So they do give you Teflon tape. You need this to put on the threads of the shower head when installing it to prevent leaks. These are extra seals for your filter. Here's an extension adapter if you need to extend it. Manual. Steps how to change the filter, all that. This is basically the install process. Comes with gaskets. Mesh gaskets to preventing debris getting in there. Optional if you want to install it. I probably will, but I'll test the pressure of the water. If it affects it, I'm probably going to get rid of it. And then this is the filter. Installs to your outlet pipe out of the wall, and then your shower head goes on here. To replace the filter, which they recommend doing every 6 months, unscrew it, pop a new one and all that. Here's the one seal, second seal that they give you for replacement. And there's also one in there. So if anything's leaking, check that first. But for now, let's install it. You're gonna need probably a wrench if your shower is really tight and hard. I'll put some tape on here so I don't scratch anything up as I have black finish. Let's remove the shower head and pop this on. I'm also first gonna do a test of the shower pressure before and after the filter to see the difference. So now we can remove the shower head and basically just unscrew it right here counterclockwise. Some people have a small shower head. I have a whole contraption here with the extension. That's the only difference. But the pipe coming out of the wall, 99% of the time is exactly the same for all showers. Now you're going to put on some Teflon tape, clean the old gunk off. You want to do about 3 wraps around at least. Streamline the shower filter, screw right on. You don't even need a wrench for this part right now. The Teflon tape holds it in place. Now, a little more Teflon tape here. And I did not put on the wet mesh filter, just so you guys know. Feel free to though. Go. The shower head. There we go, install complete. Only difference is you are losing about 3-4 inches of height because this drops it down. So if you're really tall, this might affect you. Now let's test out the water pressure. Honestly, it seems to be about the same. So it doesn't affect the water pressure, but now you have cleaner water. Guys, thank you for watching. Hope this is helpful. Subscribe, follow. You can check out the whole build of this bathroom that I did a couple years back. So definitely check out the channel. But the filter, very easy install. And look at this, guys. We got a little leak here, so we gotta tighten this down or replace the seal like I mentioned before.